This is the Reolink Argus 3 Pro, and Reolink claims it can deliver pro-level security without needing wires or subscriptions. After a week living with it, though, I found some surprises, both good and annoying, that the marketing glosses over. Today, I'm going to tell you what it really feels like to own one, whether it lives up to the hype, and who should or shouldn't buy it. Reolink Argus 3 Pro Product Overview. So, what is the Argus 3 Pro? It's Reolink's latest wireless battery-powered outdoor security camera, launched circa 2021. It's designed for folks who want reasonable security without running wires. Think renters, homeowners who don't want to drill through siding, or folks looking to place cameras in hard-to-reach spots. Its headline feature is wire-free with pro features: 2K or 4MP video, built-in motion spotlight, person-vehicle detection, a siren, and support for both microSD and optional cloud storage. Reolink Argus 3 Pro Performance. Okay, specs are fine, but how does this thing behave in real life? I mounted the camera in my backyard and front yard for about a week. During the day, the video was sharp. I could pick out colors, textures, even read signs a few feet away. In bright sunlight, it reminded me how far security cams have come. Reolink claims up to 5MP resolution now. Earlier specs listed 4MP or 2K. There's a bit of ambiguity there in their marketing. At night, thanks to the built-in spotlight, you get color footage rather than that ghostly monochrome look you see on a lot of budget cams. It's legitimately helpful. You can see shirt colors, license plates, etc., rather than guessing. Motion alerts arrived quickly in my tests. When someone walked through the yard, the notification popped up within a second or two. Features and tech. Let's dig into what makes this camera stand out. Color night vision plus spotlight. Instead of dealing with dim blacks and whites, the motion-activated LED spotlight floods the scene so you get full-color video even in darkness. That's a huge win for identifying faces, vehicle details, etc. Person, vehicle, package detection. Reolink upgraded from simple PIR triggers to smarter detection. You can tell it to only alert you for humans or cars, or even packages, which reduces noise in your notification feed. That said, sometimes it mislabels or overlabels. Wire-free and solar option. Because it's battery-powered, non-removable, you can put it anywhere within Wi-Fi range. And you can optionally add a Reolink solar panel to extend uptime. Just note, the solar panel is sold separately. Storage flexibility. You're not locked into paying subscriptions. It supports microSD up to 128 gigabytes or more and comes with a free 7-day rolling cloud storage plan. Paid plans are available if you want more days or more cameras. Design and build. Aesthetically, Reolink keeps the pod-style look that's become familiar, a white outer shell with a glossy black front. The build feels solid for plastic, not premium metal, but functional. It's rated IP65, meaning it's protected from dust and water jets, i.e. rain. They say it survives between 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Mounting options are decent. You get different brackets, including a magnet mount for easy repositioning and a screw mount for more secure install. Some users love switching it in and out for charging, others worry about it loosening over time. Battery life. Reolink claims 1 to 4 weeks of battery life under typical use. In my use, with moderate motion triggering, I got somewhere in that ballpark, closer to 2 weeks with occasional charging. In standby mode, it held charge impressively well. If you pair it with a solar panel, you can push that uptime dramatically, potentially making it more install and forget for many users. Just note, the solar panel is sold separately. Pros. Strong daytime and color nighttime video quality. Smart detection, person, vehicle, package is useful. Truly wire-free with upgrade path to solar. Flexible storage, microSD plus free and paid cloud. Cons. No motion zones, customizable detection zones. Battery is non-removable. You have to take it down to recharge. Some false alerts remain. Live view could stutter at top settings. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your money? If you want a robust wire-free security cam and don't mind occasional charging or mounting effort, the Reolink Argus 3 Pro is a compelling choice. It hits a sweet spot between affordability and feature set. You get color night vision, smart detection, local storage options, and solar support without a subscription trap. For many homeowners, that's enough. But if your priorities lean heavily towards advanced motion detection,